just give me a minute because I want people to see my story here because guys, no, I'm not gonna show your face, your officer. Lovamix and his wife went to Quincy Court lying again. Tell the judge that no. For my protection, I got to call my wife, Your Honor.
Okay, can you do that then? We're not gonna.
No, you're not gonna be on my stream. Let me talk to my people.
But not like that. You're not.
No, but boss, he lied.
Have to be appropriate.
Yeah. Just arrest me. I want them to see.
No.
I want them to see that because I need money too.
All right, listen. I'm not gonna do that.
No, you have to arrest me in front of him.
Yeah,
beat me because I want my story to be great. I want CNN to see my story because Asian just like me lying after I help him. People should know that, boss.
I think it's in your best interest if we just.
Okay, let me call my wife through the live. Can I do that?
No. Call your wife through the phone. All right.
No, but people need to see that you're arrested.
You should be placed under arrest right now. We can do that if you want, and we make some phone calls down the station. Okay.
Oh no.
No.
No, let me do that live.
Listen, no, because now we're talking about resisting arrest.
Oh no, okay, no, I don't want that.
I know you don't.
Yeah, you're a very decent guy.
I love you too, guys. You white people, you sweet person.
We're trying to be decent with you, but we can't. We're not going to make a mockery of this.
Okay. So what should I do? What's the best?
You want to make a phone call?
And
all right, now you got because we have.
Can I go a week though? Right?
No.
Turn it up first.
Get rid of that. Call your wife. Whatever you got to do, but I need your hands behind your back.
Okay. Right now?
Yeah.
Or am I going to touch you?
No.
Come on.
You're good.
Mes amis, dis madame moi yo arrêté, Lovamix avec madame ni fait yo arrêté moi. Nan bay menti nan Côte Quincy. DJ Nasty, call your lawyer for me because I'm getting arrested in my property and my house. Thank you. So can you turn it off?
Yeah. Listen.
Yes, boss.
How do you shut that off?
What?
How do you shut that off?
I got to touch it. You see.
Where is it?
Can I touch? Your face gonna be showing off. Do you want that?
No.
Okay, so I'm trying to turn it off, but my hands is by my back.
I know, because we were getting a little silly there. We can't make a TV show out of this.
Yeah, but I need money, because this is how I collect my money about the house for $1 million. Come on.
I know.
Just how do you shut it off? I don't
That's it. So my hands is don't.
You just finish?
We can leave this here.
Your face gonna be showing up because when you finish, the camera gonna turn on your face and then you finish it. So you don't want your face to be showing up.
I've never.
So I respect that too.
All right,
guys, I'm getting arrested. Tell DJ Nasty to come pick me up.
I mean, listen, I don't have to bring your phone.
You have to turn it off, Your Honor. How you doing, guys? I'm good. Asian lion, don't touch the finish. Your face gonna be showing up. Be careful. You got your glasses. You see what you did? You're gonna call my girlfriend right now. That's why I get trouble with my wife. Can somebody uncuff me so I can fix that? And boss, trust me. You know I'm not a bad person, but Asian hated on me.
Hold up.
They think
no trouble.
Okay. They think I'm bad. It's hard to help a friend.
No, we're not saying you're a bad guy. We just want your live stream shut off.
I can do that. I can do that.
I don't know how to shut it off.
Thank you.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. Can I have my phone?
Yeah, go ahead.
Take it off your shoes. Sorry.